Hey, Ryan Stousen here with Accelerate Marketing, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to generate an extra $100,000 or more in revenue additionally per month for your business using a proven strategy, which is Google Local Service Ads. We have a school community, school.com, skool.com/local lead labs. And we've been doing this for over 15 years. We help businesses generate a consistent stream of pre-qualified, pre-sold leads. We've got over 350 five-star reviews. And with the advent of artificial intelligence agents, it really is a very amazing time to be alive as a business owner. If you want me to perform an audit of your business, that's the whole goal of this call. I can give you, free insight on how to make it better. I mean, this is what we do in the local lead labs community. Okay, somebody wants to jump in here. Hey, Sean. So what questions do you have? Are you running local service ads yourself?
I'm just kind of getting started. I've been in the web space forever.
Yeah, it says you're a business optimizer for healthcare. I'm kind of curious to see, what tools you're using.
I've only done like Google ads and stuff like that, but not LSA. I just want to jump into it because the fact you can integrate with Go High Level, and I just want to tighten my niche. And I'm like, wow, LSA, that's great, but healthcare can't do the booking. That's the problem.
Yeah, you can't do the booking, but it really doesn't matter. If you just get the person to call and then communicate with the AI, either call or text or message in, that really is all you have to do.
That's what I was thinking, yeah.
Yeah, it's, we've replaced all of our opt-ins. We used to have, get a quote, do this, do that, forget all that. Honestly, in a few years, the main functionality of most businesses on their website is going to be the engagement with the AI agent.
Oh, right. I agree. Yeah. I agree.
If somebody's looking to set up an AI agent, I would really make sure that whoever you're going to go with has a couple things. Number one, an agent that has one phone number that they've attached voice and messaging and everything to. That's first and foremost.
Text messaging? Or are you talking about like WhatsApp, Facebook? Okay.
Yeah, text.
No, I have not.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So we've connected both voice and messaging and the embed code all to the same agent. So,
Wow.
So to stay on topic today. So as far as Google Local Service Ads, what questions do you have about that? I mean, do you understand how it works?
Yeah, I'm curious. It's nice. And I want to focus on healthcare, but I don't like the fact that I'm booking. And I totally understand we can move to what you're talking about. But do you notice a big drop off in responses? Should I pick another niche because booking is so nice?
First of all, I would not worry about the booking feature.
Some people don't have it. I thought it was a great idea, and there's still a huge opportunity without it.
It's a good idea, but only about 10%, 15% of people use it, if that.
As in consumers or
consumers?
Consumers. Okay.
Yeah. I think a lot of the reasons why these guys use booking is because they don't have an AI agent responding via text because...
Oh, yeah. It takes them too long to respond.
Yeah, exactly. Local Service Ads does not do a really good job of notifying the business owner. So all these guys have really just dropped it. They're like, okay, forget it. I'm not even going to use messaging. Look, he typically replies in a day. These guys just don't get to these messages. You see what I'm saying? Google Local Service Ads has done a really poor job, in my opinion, of notifying these business owners when a lead comes in.
How can it not be immediate? How can they screw it?
Well, because it's all email.
Oh, it's not text.
There is a text, but it's not really reliable, and so most of the time these guys are getting notifications via email. Yeah, even with text, they've got to stop what they're doing and respond via text, and
right, and they can't always do that.
Yeah, it's a distraction. So we also have integrated our AI with Go High Level, which is great. So when somebody comes in, we can add them to a follow-up sequence, and then you can do things like this. I can send a review request to my phone. Here, let me watch this. So this is going to go to my phone. It's going to call me. Okay, accept. There you go.
Hello, my name is Mike, and I'm calling from Accelerate Marketing. I wanted to check in with you and see if you're happy with the SEO services we've provided for you so far.
Yeah, I'm happy. Why? You have something you wanted to do?
Great to hear that you're happy with our services. I was wondering if it would be okay with you if we sent you a review request so you can share your experience with others on our Google Business profile.
Yeah. How are you going to do that? You gonna text it to me, or how are you going to send it to me?
We'll send you a text message. The text will also include a pre-written review that you can use if you'd like. Copy and paste it to make it easier for you to leave a review on our Google Business profile.
Okay. Will you follow up with me as well after that?
No, but after you receive the text message, that's it. We won't be following.
All right, now.
All right. We got to reprogram you to follow up in 6 days. How about that?
I'll make a note of that.
That's funny. Wow. So you created that workflow?
Oh, yeah. Now it just texted me a link, and it's also put a suggested review in there that I can just copy and paste.
Nice.
Yeah. So this is our dashboard for our local service ads platform and also, our AI. So the initial conversational agent will then communicate with the review agent, and then the review agent is actually after the agent that's going to send out the invoice and the proposal. And then, you know what I'm saying? So that all these agents are going to be working in conjunction with each other.
Nice. That's great.
Okay. So I'm going to show you the review request that it sent. There you go. Thank you for choosing us and helping us. There's the link. Accelerate Marketing has been providing SEO services. They're professional. So this is the actual suggested review. Really what you guys all hopefully are aware of, that you really need to be getting reviews for your local service ads. It really is important because ultimately, if you're not getting reviews for your local service ads, you're not going to stay ranked at all.